Hi guys, welcome back to Beautiful You. Today I'm going to be doing the second half of my review of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. I apologise for the delay. I realise I think it's been over 3 weeks now, probably almost 4. I haven't posted any content in that time, but I have religiously been using the serum. I've used it twice a day since I posted my unboxing of the product, and so I really feel that I'm ready to give you my final thoughts on it. So if you want to know what I personally think of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum, then just keep watching. So just to sort of summarise what this product claimed to do, it claimed to brighten the skin because it contains vitamin C. It also claimed to improve skin's overall texture, particularly wrinkles with the compound Replexium, and the polyglutamic acid within the serum also claimed to be a hydration powerhouse, according to their website, 4 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. So I had a little look on Charlotte Tilbury's website today, and I was looking at the reviews because it's always interesting to know what other people think of the product. Sometimes you might hate something but everyone else loves it, and vice versa. So I thought, I wonder how my sort of impressions relate to other people's. The reviews are very mixed. I mean, the product does have 4.5 stars, so most people obviously that have reviewed it like it, or love it I should say, but some people really don't like it. They haven't seen any noticeable results, they think it's too expensive, and some are on the fence, and I kind of relate more to the latter. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm going to start with what I loved about this product. I think that this product works amazingly on blemishes. So when I first started using the product, I had a little bit of a hormonal breakout, and I did mention that in my video. And when I get hormonal breakouts, like most women, it's sort of mainly around this area and on my neck. Now, I was still sort of getting spots every now and again, but I noticed that when I applied the serum on the affected areas, the blemishes cleared up very quickly. I'm talking like 24 hours later, the inflammation was greatly reduced and the acne or the breakout just seemed to vanish. I found that really interesting. I haven't heard anyone else sort of say in those specific terms that they felt it got rid of acne, but that was definitely my experience. As you can see, my skin is pretty clear. Obviously, I do have makeup on. I have one tiny little spot here, but again, it's not a spot anymore. It's just a bit of scarring. But I did think that the serum was responsible for clearing that up. So that could be definitely interesting if you suffer with acne, or you do get hormonal breakouts, or just breakouts in general. Maybe get yourself a sample of this and have a go. And I was even spot checking it on blemishes. I've got one just here. It's gone now. It's just a bit of scarring, but I was sort of dabbing it on specifically where I had blemishes, and it was getting rid of them. So I just think that's super interesting, and it's weird that that's not one of their claims. I suppose potentially the Replexium, if that's going to be improving skin's overall texture, then that could have been what it was that was working so well on my breakouts, but I just really wanted to share that with you. I found that very interesting, and it was very effective specifically for that. Next thing is we're going to talk about the cons, and as you can probably guess, my pros list was fairly short, so I do have a couple of negative points about this product. The first one is I didn't find it as hydrating as I hoped it would be. I think the catchphrase hydration powerhouse and 4 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid are the best buzzwords to use. If you have dry skin, you're going to be like, oh my goodness, this product is going to be perfect for me. It's going to clear up all my dry patches. It's going to give me youthful glowing skin. I didn't think it was that hydrating. In fact, previously to using this serum, I had been using just a very plain run-of-the-mill hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, and I didn't actually think it was any more hydrating than that. I had a couple of dry patches on my face when I first started using the product. They didn't clear up entirely. I still have sort of the remnants of one just sort of on my eyelid. I do have eczema, so I'm aware that my skin is maybe drier than most, but 4 times more hydrating, it should have given me noticeable results. I didn't think it balanced my skin sort of throughout the 4 weeks I was using it. I didn't think that I would wake up in the morning and maybe not need as much face cream, or maybe a less hydrating face cream. I didn't find that at all. One thing I did notice, when I first started using this product, I was just applying a facial oil over the top in the evenings. But I did find that the product seemed to hydrate much better when I was applying this over the top. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. It's a very hydrating product, but sort of layering these two products seemed to work quite well, better than the oil anyway. Before you sort of think, oh, I wonder how often she was using it, I was using it twice a day. I would wake up, cleanse my skin, apply this, and then apply my makeup or just my face cream. In the evening, again, I was cleansing my face, applying this, and then applying a facial oil over the top. So I used it every single day, twice a day, throughout the whole course of my little trial period. And so, yeah, I think that my sort of views on it are pretty solid. I feel pretty confident about the fact that I've given this a really fair go. And as you can see, over 4 weeks, I've definitely used the majority of the product. It's well below halfway gone. Which brings me to point number 2. I have to address the price tag when it comes to the cons of this product. Like I said before in my other video, I'm happy to pay extra if the product is better. Now, I think it's fairly sort of very, very confident of Charlotte Tilbury to price her product a whole £12 more expensive per 30ml than the leading serum in the UK, which is the Advanced Night Repair. I think Charlotte Tilbury is really trying to exert her influence in the skincare world. She's got a couple of products. Some of them have done really well, others haven't. Personally, I did try her magic cream and I wasn't a fan. And the hardest bit is the products aren't bad, but the price is just crazy. I mean, like for her pot of magic cream, £70. £70 for a pot of cream. And it would have to be so much better than anything else I'd used for me to even consider purchasing it a second time. And that's how I feel about this. Would I purchase it again? Probably not. So I just want to finish by saying that I don't hate this product. I quite enjoy using it in my day-to-day routine, but I think when I've weighed it all up, what I actually get from the product versus what I expect and what I've had to pay, I wouldn't purchase it again. What I want to suggest though is if you have oily skin or if you have acne prone skin, this could be a really good purchase for you. But what I would suggest, and what I think is a good idea with most products, especially luxury ones, is go get yourself a sample. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you have any questions at all about this product or you want me to try something else and review it, then just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. But yeah, hope you all enjoy the rest of your Sunday and I'll see you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye.